Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today I'm taking two of the most popular Greek ingredients, feta cheese and olives. I'm going to wrap them with a few more ingredients in some phyllo, buttery, crisp, delicious phyllo, and I'm going to create these delicious appetizers, perfect for parties. They're great because you can make these way ahead of time. We'll talk about all of that in a minute. Let's go over the ingredients so we can get started. So we're going to need some fresh leeks, olive oil, lots of feta cheese, sesame seeds, those are going to be for a topping. We have some Kalamata olives that are pitted and chopped, an egg, salt, black pepper, dried oregano, some melted butter, this is unsalted butter, and I have country phyllo. So before we get started, I just want to tell you a few quick tips about the phyllo. If you've never worked with phyllo pastry, you have to make sure that you thaw it out in your refrigerator overnight, then take it out in the morning and leave it at room temperature in its packaging for at least 1 to 2 hours. It's very easy to work with as long as it's in room temperature. If it's not, it's gonna crumble on you, get stuck, and then you're gonna have a mess on your hands. As long as you follow those tips, it'll all be good. Now, if you cannot find the number 10 country phyllo, which is the one that I have, it's thicker cut phyllo, you can go ahead and just use a couple extra layers of the regular phyllo, which is number 4. If it's not labeled, then most likely it's going to be the number 4. As long as you follow those tips, it's all going to be perfect. So now we're going to start with cooking our leeks. So the dark green part of a leek is very fibrous and it's not edible, so it's only good for like soups and things like that where you can pluck it out once you're done. I'm going to cut the root part off as well. Then I like to slice it in half and then slice very thin half moons. And then you want to take all the chopped up leaves and put them in some cold water and just swish them around the water. All of the dirt will sink down to the bottom. Then you're just going to want to strain them. I'm going to go ahead and chop up this other leek as well. Add the leeks to a pan heating over medium heat. We're going to drizzle 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil over them. Season with a little bit of salt and some freshly cracked black pepper. And I'm just going to cook them until they wilt down and soften. After about 2 to 3 minutes, they'll have wilted down like this and they're nice and soft. Take them off the heat. Crumble all of the feta cheese in a large mixing bowl. Beat the egg and add it to the feta. Add some dried oregano and just mix it all up. And mash up any big pieces of feta that you find in there, any big chunks. Add the olives and all of the leeks. Look at how pretty that looks already. And just mix everything all together. Add a little bit of crushed black pepper. Give it another quick mix. And just like that, the filling is ready. So while the phyllo is in its packaging, go ahead and cut it into 3 equal portions. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to take 1 portion at a time, unroll it. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit of melted butter on 1 sheet. I'm going to take a tablespoon of the filling and place it at the bottom of the strip of phyllo. And then I'm going to take 1 of the corners and I'm going to fold it up to cover the filling, forming a little triangle. Then you can put your finger there so that we can hold the filling in and fold up. And keep doing this until you go all the way to the top. Place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Once you're done forming your triangles, go ahead and brush them with the melted butter. Sprinkle the tops with some sesame seeds. This recipe made 23 little feta and phyllo triangles. I'm not going to bake them all today because we don't need them all. I'm just going to bake a few. So I'm going to put those in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown. The other tray, what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to set it in the freezer until everything is chilled and frozen. Then I'm going to wrap the tray in plastic wrap and it'll stay fresh in there for about a month. So you can just make these ahead of time. Then when you're ready to bake them, just bake them off until they're nice and golden at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're gonna have a delicious appetizer ready in minutes. Now, I did not use all of the phyllo. There still is 1 little portion left. I'm gonna wrap this in plastic wrap as well and store it in my refrigerator for another time when I need phyllo to make a delicious pastry with. As soon as the phyllo triangles are done, I'm going to show you what they look like. So it took exactly 30 minutes for these phyllo triangles that are filled with feta and olives to be golden and perfectly baked. Once they come out of the oven, make sure you set them at room temperature for at least 5 to 10 minutes before you go and serve them, because the filling is going to be piping hot. These are great served at room temperature, which makes them perfect party food. I'm going to go in and take a bite because it just smells incredible. So good. So much flavor. The feta and the olive have very bold flavor. Creamy, salty, briny, so good. And the leeks just go perfectly in there. They just lighten it up and make it a little bit milder with that little hint of sweetness. The phyllo is perfectly crisp and buttery. You guys are definitely gonna love these. Make these for your upcoming holiday parties. These are great because you can make so many ahead of time and just bake them off as you need them. The recipe, as always, is on the website, www.dimitrasdishes.com. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you have any recipe requests that you want me to teach you how to make, post those down there as well. Like I said, if you cannot find the thicker phyllo, which is the country phyllo, go ahead and use the number 4. Just use 2 layers instead of 1 and you'll be good to go. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. I will see you all next time. Yes, us.